Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, where we learn English step by step and go from the basic level to the advanced level. And today is the first day of our daily life English conversation practice. In this series, we are going to learn different sentences and phrases and how to use them in daily life conversations. So let's start with the first sentence. When you meet someone in the morning, you can say, "Good morning, how are you?" It's very common to ask this question when you see someone in the morning. You can use it with your family members, friends, or colleagues. You don't have to be too formal. If you want to be a bit more formal, you can say, "Good morning, how do you do?" But this one, "How are you?" is more common. Now let me show you an example conversation. A. Good morning. How are you? B. I'm fine, thank you. And you? A. I'm great. How was your weekend? So in this conversation, A says to B, "Good morning, how are you?" B replies, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" That means he's asking back, "How are you?" And then A replies, "I'm great. How was your weekend?" Now let's learn another phrase. When someone asks, "How are you?" we usually reply, "I'm fine, thank you." But there are other ways to reply to this question. For example, if you want to say that you are busy, you can say, "I'm a bit busy right now." If you want to say that you are not feeling well, you can say, "I'm not feeling well today." Or you can just say, "I'm okay." But please remember, if you are talking with your friend, you can be informal. But if you are talking with your boss or teacher, you need to be a bit more formal. Now let's continue with the next sentence. If you want to know how someone is, you can ask, "How are things?" For example, you can ask your friend, "Hey, how's it going? How are things?" This is a very informal way to ask, "How are you?" But if you are talking with your boss or teacher, you can say, "How are things going?" This is a bit more formal. Let me show you an example conversation. A. Hey, how's it going? How are things? B. Pretty good. Just a bit stressed about the project. And you? A. Things are going well. Here A is talking to B and asking, "Hey, how's it going? How are things?" B replies, "Pretty good. Just a bit stressed about the project." That means, I'm doing pretty good, but I'm a bit stressed because of the project. And then A asks back, "And you? How are things going?" Now let's learn some more phrases. How's it going is an informal way to ask, "How are you?" It's like saying, "How are things going?" We can use it with friends and family members. And if you want to reply to this question, you can say, "I'm great, I'm good, I'm doing well." But if you are not doing well, you can say, "Not really, I'm stressed, I'm bored." Well, now you know a few ways to greet someone in the morning. You know how to ask,
Yes!
"How are you?" And you know how to reply to this question. Well, these were the first steps. In the next videos, we are going to learn more sentences and phrases.
Yes!
So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. See you in the next video.